Good afternoon, Ricky. My name is Blake Stovall, and I was looking at your website, and I saw a few things that may help improve your rankings on Google on your website. And first off, I wanted to say Happy Veterans Day. If you're a veteran, I know a lot of firefighters are. I studied firefighting when I was in the Navy, so hope you're having a terrific day. All right, so let's dive into it. So you have a very nice website, really like it. So I was wondering why you didn't rank higher. I believe you're on page 3. So I took your URL and put it into our scanning tool to analyze different pieces of your website. So we looked at title tag, meta description, and your H1 tag. So for your title tag, it says who you are. Normally your title tag, it's better for it to say your exact location and the types of work that you perform, and that could be a way to improve this. Meta description, that looks okay. I like that. With your H1, so your H1 is a very important tag. It's like what Google uses to determine what your website is about. It's like the title of your book. So right now it says roof installation repair, North Texas, and I think what you need to do, like in Denton, you need to pick a location like Denton and say Denton roof installation, roof repair, whatever it is, the main work that you have that you want to get customers for, have that be in your H1 header tag. And then when people Google that, Google will know, okay, this person, Red Ladder Roofing, does exactly this. This is who I'm going to return for people to call. So H1, that's a simple thing you can do that can help you rank higher in Google immediately. A couple of other things to find out where you're truly ranking. This was a trick I learned a while back. So a lot of people open just a regular Chrome Explorer window, and then we'll look up Denton Roofer, and see where they fall. But the problem with that is that Google is smart, and they know that if you're looking up your website specifically a lot and clicking on your website, then it should move that website up the ranking, so it will artificially inflate where your website ranks. So what you should do is open an incognito window. Now this would be representative of somebody without a search history, anywhere in Denton searching for a Denton roofer. And then that would be a true indicator of where your website would show up if somebody else is looking for it. So that's what I did. I opened an incognito window. And on page 3, and here you are, Red Ladder Roofing. Now I know I can get you to page 1 quickly if that's what you want. Incidentally, 96% of all clicks go to websites on page 1. And 87% of all those clicks go to the organic search results, like these, not the ads that are on page 1. So once you get on page 1, and once you get high on page 1, your business will go through the roof. No pun intended, but you'll get a lot of business. And there's one other thing that I want to show you. So if we go to page 1, your location is in Denton, but I did not see you in the Denton map pack. So I can make sure that you're added to this, and this is something people also like to see. If you have a location here, you're very trusted, and people like clicking on those. So that's it for now. My kids just showed up. I better go open the door for them. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.